Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. You own NBA 2K25, you are online, and updates are installed. Next, open My Career or the Wardrobe menu. This is where items unlock. Once in, access store or locker codes. These are primary sources. Make sure to check your VC balance and available challenges, because many special shirts require either VC purchases or completing specific events. Don't pause. Start the relevant challenge, now so progress registers. You proceed by targeting the exact unlock path. Either finish the named weekly challenge, enter a working locker code, or buy it from the store. If it's a challenge, concentrate on objectives, scoring, assists, or park wins, because partial progress often doesn't grant the item. Once done, head to Rewards then Wardrobe. Sometimes the shirt lands in inventory, then requires equipping manually. Make sure to confirm the transaction or reward claim, so the shirt moves into your usable. You finish by equipping the item in My Player appearance. Upper body, then select compression shirt and apply the black option. Once equipped in offline modes, test in a game or the park to ensure visibility. If the shirt is missing, check inventory and pending rewards. Sometimes items sit unclaimed. If it still won't appear, clear cache, restart the game, and re-log in. If that fails, gather screenshots and contact support. A quick restart often resolves sync issues, so try that first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.